Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to install a rocker running light kit on this 2026 Dodge Ram 2500. This kit pairs extremely well with our Valance light kit. You can purchase both of these products combined together, and we call it the ultimate duo. For today's install, we're going to go over the rocker running light kit, but if you're looking for a step-by-step detailed installation video on our Valance light kit, that'll be linked in the description down below. Each rocker running light kit comes with 2 mounting brackets, 2 pre-wired lighting kits, and your choice of hardware. We have a no drill option, which comes with body locking mounts. We also have a drill option that comes with standard screws and nuts. Each hardware kit comes with 6 solder shrink connectors, 1 ground terminal, and 16 feet of lead wire. For light options, we have several. We have an amber lens option with an amber LED, a smoke lens option with an amber LED, a clear lens option with an amber LED, a clear lens white LED, and a smoke lens white LED. We have multiple options so you can pick the exact light kit for your truck. Let's jump into the tools required. Since we're installing with the no drill required hardware, today our tools consist of needle nose pliers, a Customs Unlimited heat gun, a socket and ratchet, scissors, and a Customs Unlimited wire stripper kit. Once your kit's installed, you'll need to source power. For today's vehicle, we're going to be utilizing the factory upfitter switch hookups that came from the dealership. If your vehicle did not come equipped with the factory upfitter switches, you can source power utilizing 2 different options. You can utilize an aftermarket switch system such as our Customs Unlimited Universal Lighting Control System or our Customs Unlimited plug-and-play harness that taps directly into your daytime running lights. Supplies that aren't required but are recommended for a factory finish install consist of wire loom, magnetic wire loom mount holders, as well as zip ties. Now let's get into the install. The first thing we need to do is install our pre-wired lights into our pre-drilled mounting brackets. To do so, we're going to slide the grommet back, push the light through the hole, and slide the grommet into this hole. Once the grommet is into the hole and fixed into place, it's time to slide the light back through and it'll lock on the light collar. Now repeat the process for the rest. Now that all the lights are mounted in place, it's time to mount the bracket to the truck. To do so, we're going to be utilizing these body locking mounts. The small side will fix to the vehicle and this wider side will fix to the brackets. We're going to install 6 of these on each side of the vehicle first, and then we're going to install the brackets into this wide side of the clip. Perfect, this side's all complete. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side and then we're gonna get right into the wiring. Now for the wiring, we need to connect the power and ground from each side of the rocker running light kit into 1 main power and 1 main ground that we're gonna run up into the engine bay and then hook up to our desired power and ground source. Our Ultimate Duo completely transformed the look of this 2026 Ram 2500. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle, head on over to CustomsUnlimited.com and check out our YouTube channel for more install videos, the newest product releases, and the latest in lighting news. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.